Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. Today we're time traveling back to 1981 to install the legendary MS-DOS 1.0. First things first, gather your vintage gear. You'll need an old PC, preferably from the early 80s. Yes, the kind that weighs more than your pet Labrador. Next up, snag yourself a copy of MS-DOS 1.0. If you can't find a floppy disk, don't sweat it. Digital archives online are your next best friend. Now power up your ancient machine and let's get floppy. Insert the disk, reboot, and watch as your screen flickers like a disco ball from the past. Follow the on-screen prompts. Don't worry, it's less typing than texting your friend. And voila, you've now got a working piece of computer history right at your fingertips. So, pop on your favorite 80s track and bask in the glow of green text on a black screen. Congratulations, you've just completed the ultimate tech time capsule